In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to any credit card from Revolut 2025. Whether you're splitting a bill with someone who doesn't use Revolut or topping up a family member's card, this process is quick and secure when you know where to tap. First, open the Revolut app and head to the Payments section. From there, choose Send, then pick the card recipient option. This tells Revolut you want to transfer money straight to a card rather than a bank account or another Revolut user. Depending on your region and plan, you should see this option clearly. If it's not visible, it may not be supported for that currency or location. Next, enter the recipient's 16-digit card number. Type carefully and double-check every digit. A single typo can route funds to the wrong card. Revolut will usually validate the number format immediately, but it can't confirm card ownership, so only send to someone you trust and only with their permission. Many Visa and Mastercard consumer cards are supported, though some prepaid, corporate, or region-restricted cards may not accept card-to-card transfers. Now choose how much to send and select the currency. If the recipient's card is denominated in a different currency than yours, Revolut will handle the conversion automatically. To minimize extra costs, it's typically best to select the currency of the recipient's card when you know it. You'll see the amount update on screen, and you can take a moment to confirm the figure before proceeding. Before you finalize, review the fees, the exchange rate, and the estimated arrival time, then tap Send. Revolut will display any applicable card transfer fee and the live FX rate if a currency conversion is involved. Keep in mind that small markups can apply during weekends or market closures. Most card transfers arrive almost instantly, but in some cases it can take a little longer depending on the receiving bank. After you send, you'll get a confirmation in the app, and the transaction will appear in your activity so you can track its status. If a transfer can't be delivered to that card, Revolut typically reverses it back to your balance. That's all it takes. Open Payments, select Card Recipient, enter the 16-digit number, set the amount in currency, review the details, and send. Double-check the card number and currency, and you'll move money confidently in just a few taps.